how the Ramchandra is incarnated in this world. From the Ayodhya Dham. So how the Ramchandra is incarnated in this world. So Tulsidas is mentioned in the Ramcharitamanas. One time what happened? Narad Rishi, he was meditating. Narad Rishi So Narad Rishi is doing the very hard austerity he is doing. Then Indradev became so much jealous of it, and he was thinking that Narad Rishi wants to conquer his kingdom. So Indradeva sent in a deity of a Kam, the deity of the lust. Kamdev sent in front of the Narad Rishi. So the Kamdev in front of the Narad Rishi, where the Narad Rishi is doing the austerity. So Narad Rishi meditation became breaked by the Kamdev, and he opened his eyes. So the Kamdev did the pranam to the Narad Rishi, and they said to the Narad, you conquered the lust. And because the Narad Rishi's mind didn't become restless by seeing the Kamdev, so Narad Rishi became so much egoistic, like he has conquered the lust. Like when we become an egoistic, we cannot understand what is right and what is not good. So the Narad Rishi also became an egoistic, because he was thinking he has conquered the lust. So like from the end to the Brahma, everyone have a lust. This world is also known as Kamaya Jagat, means all have the lust in their heart and they cannot conquer the lust. So even only the Lord himself. So in Srimad Bhagavad, the last Leela Katha, it is described. This is known as a Kam Krida Leela. I accept the Bhagwan Shri Krishna. Nobody can conquer the lust. But the Narad Rishi became an egoistic. He has conquered the lust. The Kamdev even himself told to the Narad Rishi, you has conquered me, and he did the pranam to the Narad Rishi. So Narad Rishi after that became an egoistic, and in an ego he was telling, he went to the Brahma. He was the Manas son of Brahma, and telling to the Brahma like I conquered the lust, and the Brahma put fingers in the ears and said, oh please don't say like this. Even I myself not able to conquer the lust, how you can conquer the lust? So it is not possible for you, don't say like this. So in the scriptures it is said that Brahma himself like manifested one woman, and he actually attracted to that woman, and like he was running behind that woman. He only manifested the one woman, and he even get attracted by that woman, and he was running after her. So even the Brahma is saying, I am not able to conquer the lust, how you can? So the Narad Rishi in mind he is thinking. So Narad Rishi is thinking, my father is not able to conquer the lust, so he is thinking like that his son also not able to conquer. So it is not like that what the father never not able to do means not child also not able to do. It like Like the mother and father are not educated, but their son are educated. So like it is not like that only ki mother and father not able to conquer the lust, so son also not able to be. Narada Rishi is thinking in this mind. So Narada Rishi went from this place and went to the Shiva, Lord Shiva, and telling to the Lord Shiva, I actually conquered the lust, and the Kamdev even defeated by me. So the Shiva also put the finger in ears and said, don't say like this. Even like I saw the Mohini, who is in a manifest from the Vishnu, I became so much lusty to see the Mohini. So like at the time of the Samudra Mantham, so like he actually attract to the demons and giving nectar to the demigods. So the Lord himself became as a Mohini, and it is a very beautiful form of the Lord. So the Shiva said, I also want to see your Mohini avatar. So the Shiva has desire. So then the Lord said, Shivji, like you will not become peaceful after seeing my Mohini Roop, the Lord saying to the Shiva. So the Shiva said, no, I want to see. Then the Lord manifest Mani Mohini Roop in front of the Shiva. The same Mohini Roop, like in which the Mohini is giving nectar to the demigods. The same Mohini avatar manifested in front of the Shiva. So the Shiva immediately forgot that he is in a Vishnu. That time the Shiva Shivji start to run after the Mohini. So like whole universe, like they are like roaming, and Shivji is running behind the Mohini. So after that the Bhagwan shows that I am your Aradhya Vishnu to the Shiva. So the Shivaji saying to the Narada Rishi, I am not able to conquer the lust. It is not possible for anyone to conquer the lust. So after that the Narada Rishi went to the Vaikuntha. So one name of the Lord is Darpahari Madhusudan. So the God, like God actually destroy all the living beings have an ego, so that's why his name is as an Darpahari Vishnu, means who breaks the ego. So the Krishna Lord manifested in a one marriage assembly. So like there the Krishna Lord manifested in an assembly where the marriage ceremony was going on, and the internet is not going properly. I'm just give me a second. I'm trying it. So all the demigods are there. So like very beautiful assembly was there. So like very beautiful. It is like manifested by the Yog Maya, that's assembly. So like the bride wants to give to the garland to the groom. Like she is looking at her groom. So just only by seeing the bride, the Narada Rishi, in the Narada Rishi's heart, the lust manifest. So like he has a desire, I want to marry with this bride. So like the Narad Rishi was thinking, she's so beautiful, she will not gonna to marry with me. So I also become beautiful as according to her. So Narad Rishi was thinking, how can she can to marry with me? So if I will take the mukh of Sri Hari, then it will be very nice and beautiful. So because the Lord's face is very beautiful. So like the Lord is like always in a Nava-yovanam, very newly fresh. So in a Brahma Samhita it is said that Nava-yovanam cha. Govindam Purusham Tamaham Bhajami, Govindam Adi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami. So Brahmaji is like doing the stuti of Lord. When the Bhagwan Shri Hari, he is always like ever new, fresh, newly fresh. So the Narad Rishi went to the Vaikuntha and to the Vishnu, in front of the Vishnu, and he was holding his hand and saying, Prabhuji, Prabhu, I want one benediction from you. So Narad Rishi, what he said? I want the Hari Mukh, the face of Hari. So Hari means two meanings of the Hari. So Hari means like Lord Hari. So one meaning is Lord Hari, and the another meaning of the Hari is monkey. Monkey. Hari Sanskrit shabd means monkey. Sri Hari means like both of the meanings. One is Lord Hari and another is in a monkey. So in a Sanskrit, like many words have many meanings. Like so many meanings of the Hari. Like only one word but have different meanings. Prati shabder are different. Every words have different meanings. Brahm shabd means Atma, Brahm means Bhagwan, Lord, Brahm means Anya. So Brahma means also have many meanings of the Brahma. So like wherever the on which place which meaning will be suitable, we use according to that. So the Narad Rishi said, I want a Hari Mukh, means in the face of Hari. So Hari have two meaning, but like two is a main meaning, many meanings of the Hari. So, but Narad Rishi is designing for the same face as you are having. I want your face. So because the Hari is in a very beautiful form, like Hari's eyes, like you understand how the eyes is. Just like in a parmal. Parmal is in one kind of the vegetable in India. So it's just like in a very long, like touching to the ears, like from the end of the eyes. So it's just like Lord eyes is like this only. So Bhagwan what said? So Bhagwan gave the monkey's face to him, but the Narad Rishi didn't understand it. So the same Narad Rishi reached to the same assembly where the marriage ceremony was going on. So the Narad Rishi having a confidence, now she will give garland to me only. So he became so much intoxicated. Wherever the bride is going on, and he was going in front of her and putting his head down and saying, and that bride is like facing her face like this, and she's not interested. She's showing her by her face like she's not interested to give garland to him. So again and again, like Narad she's going in front of the bride. So when the Lord himself came to this assembly, and that bride give garland to the Lord Vishnu, and what the bride has did, and they both like sat on the back of the Garud, and they went to the Vaikuntha Dham. Bolo bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. So Narad Rishi is so, in so much pain. So how the like Lord did this with me? So like if the God having a desire to marry with that bride, so why like he told why he didn't told me? So at least nobody will laugh on me if he already told to me. So the Lord said, like, you just look yourself in your mirror. So you are not able to see your face. How's you cannot look your face himself now, but you need some mirror to listen. So that's why when the Narad Rishi went in front of the mirror and he saw his own face, so like he Harimukh I got like, so then after that when he went in front of the mirror, so okay Harimukh you got, but you just saw in mirror. When he saw in the mirror, he's like find out his face is just like in a monkey's face. Hari means in a monkey. By seeing this, like Narad Rishi became so much angry and he caused the Lord Vishnu. Hari, like you did the hypocrisy and cheat me, and you did pain to me. You give pain to me, so I will also curse you. And you actually, so you also get the same pain. So like you also get separated by your wife. So Narad Rishi gave then a curse to the Lord Hari. So like then Vishnu said, how I again met with my wife. So like Narad Rishi said, that monkey, you gave me the monkey face, and by that monkeys only you will again meet with your wife. So just to keep the words of the devotee, so Bhagwan in a Treta Yuga, he incarnated as in a Lord Ram. And you know the story of Ramchandra, like how the Ravan kidnapped the Sita Devi. Who kidnapped the Ram or Ravan? So one time I was like doing the Raman. I was just reading and one person telling to me, Maharaj, like many times I had heard the Raman. Like you tell something newly in the Ramayana. I many times heard the Ramayana. Like do something new. We all know that we go by leg, so you tell something like that new so that we can go by head. No, the shoes. Actually, the shoes, like we always put in our leg. I will, but tell something like that so that we can put our shoes on our head. So he wants to listen something new in the Ramayana. So everyone knows that like the shoes always in the we put the shoes in the leg in the feet. So tell me something like that so that we can put in the on the head. So everyone wants to listen something new because the story is the same and again like speaking. So I want to listen something new.
আমি বলি তাহলে নতুন কিছু বলো। আমি বলি
So he was
নতুন কিছু
telling,
বলতে হবে, তাহলে
tell me
বলতে
something
হবে,
new.
তাহলে আপনি বলুন নতুন। আচ্ছা, সীতাকে কে চুরি করে নিয়েছিল?
Who's kidnapped the Sita Devi? Ravan.
সীতাকে রাবণ চুরি করতে বলতে হবে, এখন রাম চুরি করে নিয়ে গেছিল।
So I said like, okay, the Ram kidnapped the Sita Devi.
নতুন হলো কিনা?
It is new or not?
চুরি করে নিয়ে গেল
The Ram actually kidnapped the Sita Devi, so it becomes new.
বাংলায় কথা বলে না, সাতখণ্ড রামায়ণ পড়ে
So in a Bengali there is a one verse.
এই সকল কথাগুলো নতুন কিছু হয়। এই জন্য এগুলো আমি এই জন্য বলছি, রামায়ণের এই কথাগুলো বলা হয়েছে যে ভগবান রামচন্দ্র,
So the Bhagwan Ramchandra,
বিবাহ হলো, যেগুলো কথা বলা হয়েছে,
like he married with the Sita Devi, and then after that they went to the Vanvas in the forest.
লক্ষ্মণের সঙ্গে বনবাসে গেলেন।
So Sita Devi and Lakshman Devi also went for the Vanvas.
চুরি করে নিয়ে গেল।
So Ravan kidnapped the Sita Devi.
রাবণ সীতাকে চুরি করে নিয়ে গেছিল কি?
Actually, does Ravan kidnap the Sita Devi or not?
রাবণ সীতাকে চুরি করতে পারে না।
Ravan cannot kidnap the Sita Devi.
হ্যাঁ, এগুলো কুর্ম পুরাণের মধ্যে রয়েছে।
So this is described in the Puran. Even the Chaitanya Charitamrita,
স্বয়ং মহাপ্রভু
himself the Mahaprabhu
একজন রাম ভক্তকে বলেছিলেন যে রাম ভক্ত
told to the
দুঃখিত হয়েছিলেন।
Ram Bhakta. Ram Bhakta was very like upset.
ইষ্ট দেবী
Our East Devi, Sita Devi, like kidnapped by the
মহাপ্রভু বললেন
Ravan. So he was upset by it. So the Mahaprabhu said to that devotee,
পারে না।
Ravan cannot kidnap the Sita Devi.
সচ্চিদানন্দময় স্তর।
So the Bhagwan is like in a Sachidanandamay.
সেইরূপ
And
রাবণের ভগবান রামচন্দ্রের যিনি পত্নী, তারও শরীর
so her wife also like in a Satchit Anand body. So Ravan cannot touch to the Sachidanand body of Sita Devi.
বাস্তবরূপে রাবণ সীতাকে
But in actually the Ravan didn't kidnap the Sita Devi. What he kidnapped?
কাকে হরণ করেছে?
But to whom he kidnapped?
মায়া সীতা বা
Maya Sita was Chaya Sita, the shadow of the Sita Devi.
পুরাণে শ্লোকের মধ্যে দিয়ে
So in a Padma Purana it is described. So the Mahaprabhu also said to the Vipra, who is
এই রাম
a devotee of Ram.
তিনি বললেন। হ্যাঁ, তারপরে এই ছায়া সীতার কথা আবার ব্রহ্মবৈবর্ত পুরাণের মধ্যে
In the
রয়েছে।
Brahmavaivarta Puran also it is described about the Chaya Sita.
রামচন্দ্র যখন
When the Ramchandra
রাবণকে বধ করলেন, তখন
Killed the-
সীতা দেবীকে ফিরিয়ে দিলেন রামচন্দ্রকে।
killed the Ravan and he take back the Sita Devi from the Ravan.
নারী কিনা
So like the one fire examination was there, like Sita is in a chastised lady or chest lady or not.
তাহলে আমি দেখি যে সীতা দেবী পবিত্র স্ত্রী কিনা।
She is in a pure or not. So this fire examination was happened.
তুমি কাঠ নিয়ে আসো।
So Ram said to the Lakshman, bring sticks of wood so that we will take the examination of Sita Devi.
গিয়েছিল রামচন্দ্রের উপর।
Lakshman is very become angry.
লক্ষণ কয়বার রামচন্দ্রের উপর
Many
রেগে গিয়েছিলেন।
times like the Lakshman became angry on Ramchandra.
প্রথমে যখন দশরথ মহারাজ
First time when the Dashrath Maharaj,
কইকেই যখন বললেন, দশরথ মহারাজ যখন
Kekai, when she said,
রাম এদের মধ্যে কি বলে কইকেইকে দুইটা বর দিয়েছিলেন।
like the
একবারে
Dashrath
কইকেই
Maharaj
চাইলেন যে রামচন্দ্র বনে যাবে,
give the two benediction to the Kekai. One is
এই
the
কথা শুনে
Ram will go to the forest for the 14 years and the other the Bharat will take the kingdom.
খুব রেগে গিয়েছিল।
So by this also the Lakshman became so much angry.
হ্যাঁ, রামায়ণের মধ্যে দেখা হয়েছে না?
So it is shown in the Ramayana or not?
আর একবার কখন রেগে গিয়েছিলেন?
And when another time he became angry.
রামচন্দ্রকে নিয়ে আসার জন্য
So when the Bharat was coming to meet with
পাদুকা নিয়ে
Ramchandra.
চলছে, তখন দূর থেকে লক্ষণ দেখে
So from the far the
মনে করলেন যে
Lakshman.
ভরত সৈন্য সামর্থ্য নিয়ে আসছে আমার ভাইকে মারার জন্য।
So the Bharat is coming to kill the Ramchandra.
তখনও রেগে গিয়েছে।
So that time also the Lakshman became so much angry. And the third time,
এটা হচ্ছে তৃতীয়বার লক্ষণও রেগে গিয়েছিলেন। হ্যাঁ, লক্ষণ কি বললেন?
what the Lakshman had said
সীতা দেবী
at the time of the fire examination of Sita Devi.
কি বলেন আপনারা?
What said the Lakshman?
মা বৌদি নয়,
Like Lakshman used to say to Sita Devi, Bhabhi Ma.
স্ত্রীকে আমরা বৌদি বলি না।
Like in Bengali, this is Bodhi.
ইনি আমার মা স্বরূপ।
She is my mother. She is my mother. She is not my bhabhi. She is my
মায়ের
mother.
কি দোষ হয়েছে?
So
দুষ্ট রাবণ
mother do not have any, my mother do not did any offense and any fault. Ravan only kidnapped her.
রাবণ জবরদস্তি করে সীতা
So by the fourth, the Ravan kidnapped my mother. So my mother do not have any fault in it. So what is the fault of the Sita Devi? So Lakshman actually taking a side of her mother and saying and became angry on Ramchandra. So why you are taking the fire examination of Sita Devi?
রাবণ অশোক বাটিকার মধ্যে রেখেছিল, যেখানে সীতা দেবী একা ছিলেন।
So the Sita Devi was in Ashok Vatika.
সীতা দেবীর দোষটা কি?
So what the fault of the
তার সতীত্ব পরীক্ষা করার জন্য
Sita Devi? Why you are taking her
খুব রেগে গিয়েছিল।
purification test?
লক্ষণ তুমি
So-
রাগবে না,
So the Ramchandra said, Lakshman, you don't know.
নিতে হবে।
I am just taking my real Sita Devi.
আসল সীতা নকল সীতা কি হবে?
What is the real Sita and duplicate Sita? So Ma is only one.
মা জানকী সীতা দেবীতে একই।
Ma Janaki Sita Devi is only one. So what is the real and what is duplicate?
তখন রামচন্দ্র তখন
That time the Lakshman Ramchandra said,
আমি ওই স্বর্ণ
Hey,
সীতা
Lakshman.
এই স্বর্ণ হরিণকে মারবার জন্য গিয়েছিলাম, মনে
when
পড়ে?
I went to
সেই
kill the
সময়
golden
তোমাকে আমি
deer,
বলেছিলাম
that time I told you,
যে আমি যাচ্ছি
I am going,
আর তুমি হচ্ছে আমার পত্নী লক্ষণ, এই
you,
সীতা দেবীকে তুমি
you
পাহারা দিবে।
protect to Sita Devi.
আর তখন হচ্ছে ওই রাবণ এসেছিল।
That time the Ravan came.
রামায়ণের মধ্যে বলা আছে বৃহৎ করে,
So this is all mentioned in the Ramayana.
বুঝতে পারছো? তখন ওই
That
সীতা দেবী কি
time
করলেন?
the Sita Devi, what she did?
সেই অগ্নির মধ্যে প্রবেশ করলেন।
She
রামচন্দ্র
actually
লক্ষণ
enters
যে
into the
রেখা
fire.
টেনেছে, একে
Lakshman
লক্ষণ
actually
রেখা বলা হয়।
like put one rekha line which is known as in a Lakshman
আর
line.
নকল সীতা এসে গেল।
The duplicate Sita went kidnapped by the Ravan and the real Sita Devi went into the fire.
হরণ করে নিয়ে গিয়েছে। তাই লক্ষণ বললেন, তাই রামচন্দ্র বললেন,
That's why the Ramchandra is
আমার যে
saying,
অরিজিন সীতা
our original Sita Devi, she is safe with
কৈলাসে
the
শিব পার্বতীর কাছে রয়েছে।
safe
আর
with
এই যে
the
সীতা
fire
দেখছে, এটা হচ্ছে কি ছায়া সীতা বা নকল সীতা?
in the fire, and she went to the Kailash with the Parvati and Shiva.
আমার আসল সীতাকে নিতে হবে।
So only when the Sita Devi enter into the fire, so I will get my original
তোমাকে
Sita.
বললে আমার আগে লীলা হবে না, রাবণ বধ হবে না।
So if like this Leela will not happen, so Ravan will not be killed by me. So this Leela will not happen by
এইজন্য
it.
তোমাকে বলি,
So that's why I'm saying to you,
দেখুন লক্ষণ গুরুতত্ত্ব হয়েও,
Lakshman is in a Guru Tattva.
লক্ষণ তত্ত্ব হচ্ছে গুরুতত্ত্ব।
Lakshman Tattva is in a Guru Tattva.
গুরুতত্ত্ব হয়েও ভগবানের যোগ মায়ার দ্বারা তিনি সেখানে রামচন্দ্রের এই লীলাকে তিনি জানতে পারে না।
So even the Lakshman as in a Guru Tattva, he is not able to be understand what the Ram is performing, which Leela.
লোকে বলে না গুরু সব জানে,
Like we say, na, the Guru knows each and
ঠিক
everything.
আছে। কিন্তু এখানেও বলা হয়েছে, রামায়ণের মধ্যে বলা হয়েছে,
But in the Ramayana it is said that the
রামায়ণের মধ্যে বলা,
but the Ramayana in between in the Ramayana even it is said that the Lakshman do not understand what Leela is going on.
কোথায় বলুন তো? গোবৎস হরণের সময়
Like the Govatsaharan, also the Baldev Prabhu don't understand the which Leela is going on.
ব্রহ্মাজি হরণ করেছিল,
Like the Brahma kidnapped the all the Gopal Bals and the
এক বছর কেটে গেল,
cows.
বলদেব প্রভু জানতে পারে।
So that time the Baldev Prabhu didn't come to know that what is going on.
বলদেব প্রভু অখণ্ড গুরুতত্ত্ব,
So he is in Akhand Guru Tattva, but he is still not able to be understand that we say like the Guru knows each and everything.
আচ্ছা বলদেব অখণ্ড গুরুতত্ত্ব কিনা?
You tell the Baldev is Akhand Guru Tattva or
প্রায়
not?
এক বছর হয়ে গেল,
1 year has been passed, but the Baldev didn't come to know that.
প্রায় যখন এক বছর শেষ হতে চলছে,
Like when it is like the 1 year about to be finished, then
বলদেব প্রভু আর কৃষ্ণ গোচারণ করছে,
so the Baldev Prabhu and Krishna was going doing the cow herding.
গাভীগুলো রয়েছে, আর নিচে বড় বড় গাভীগুলো রয়েছে,
So
এই বড় বড় বাছুরগুলো রয়েছে। এখন ওই উপরের গাভীগুলো, পাহাড়ের উপরে যে গাভীগুলো, নতুন
the cows actually not giving their milk to the newly fresh baby, they are giving milk to the old babies. So that this actually noticed by the Baldev Prabhu, so he understood. So what is going on? Then only like he catch the things.
আমার মায়াকে কে জয় করতে পারবে?
So like the Krishna's Maya, who can win that? Who can conquer that?
এই যে এক বছরের যে গাভীগুলো, এই বাছুরগুলো, তারা হচ্ছেন কি সব কৃষ্ণ।
So these all the like old cows are who? The calves are who? That Krishna is only became that calf, so that's why the cows are loving that old babies so much.
নিজে বাছুর হয়ে
So that time only the Baldev Prabhu comes to know that what is going on.
বুঝতে পারছেন? এইগুলো কথার মধ্যে বলা হয়েছে।
So this is also the Leela has mentioned in the Krishna Leela.
কথাগুলো হচ্ছে যে বলদেব তত্ত্ব হচ্ছে গুরু তত্ত্ব।
So I was telling the Baldev Tattva is in a Guru Tattva. Lakshman Tattva is also in a Guru Tattva.
আমি তো জানি নাই।
So Lakshman said, I don't know.
তখন রামচন্দ্র বললেন,
Then the Ramchandra said, Lakshman,
তুমি এখন অগ্নি কাষ্ঠ নিয়ে আসো,
you just
আর
bring the
এখানে
wood
অগ্নি
sticks
প্রজ্বলিত করো।
and just manifest the fire here.
ইনি অগ্নির মধ্যে
So the
প্রবেশ
Sita
করবে,
Devi will be entered into the fire,
আমি আমার
or
নিজ
when
পত্নী
I will,
সীতা
then
দেবীকে
only I
আমি
will get my original Sita.
তারপরে লক্ষণ কি করলেন?
Then that time the
অগ্নি প্রজ্বলিত
Lakshman
করলেন,
manifest
আর
the fire
সেই
there,
থেকে এই ছায়া সীতা,
and
সীতাকে
in
রাবণ
which
হরণ
the
করে নিয়ে
Sita
গিয়েছিলেন।
Devi,
সেই সীতা অগ্নির মধ্যে প্রবেশ
the
করলেন,
shadow of the Sita Devi enters into the fire,
আসল সীতা।
and they get the original Sita Devi from the
এখন
fire.
আপনার মনের মধ্যে হয়তো প্রশ্ন আসবে,
So maybe in your mind there will be question
যে
arise.
ছায়া সীতা কি করবে? তাহলে
So what the shadow Sita
ছায়া
will,
সীতা
what
আবার
will she
বললেন
will do?
রামচন্দ্রকে,
Like where she will
যে
go?
আমি আপনার এক বছর আপনার লীলা সহায়তারূপে এক বছর আমি সেবা করলাম।
So the Chaya Sita also taken a one promise from the Ramchandra. I will do your seva, but I have one condition. In a Vivid Puranam it is described.
রাবণ বধ আদি এইসব ওষুধ বধ করার জন্য
So for just killing on the Ravan and the demon killing,
প্রায় এক বছর যাবত অশোক বাটিকার মধ্যে থাকলাম।
I will also
আপনাকে সেবা করলাম,
stay
লীলা সেবা
one.
করলাম।
I will help in your seva and I will
আমার
stay
কি
1
আমাকে
year
আপনি কৃপা করুন।
for Ashok Vatika.
তখন রামচন্দ্র
So
বললেন,
for that the Ramchandra said,
আমি যখন দাপর যুগে কৃষ্ণ হয়ে আসবো,
when I came as in a
তখন আমার
Krishna,
সেই কৃষ্ণ লীলার
so in a Krishna
লীলাতে
Leela
তুমি আমার সেবা
time,
করবে।
you will also serve me there.
কি করে? না দ্রৌপদী হয়ে সেবা করবে।
So you became an Draupadi and you will serve me like
সেই
this.
ছায়া সীতা কি
So
করে
that
বলে?
the shadow Sita
এখন
Devi,
রামচন্দ্রের লীলা চলছে, তখন রামচন্দ্রের পথ কবে এসেছিলেন জানেন? রামচন্দ্র সত্যযুগে ত্রেতা যুগে এসেছিলেন।
so Ramchandra came as in a Treta
যুগে,
Yuga.
কোন ত্রেতা যুগে এসেছিলেন?
So which Treta Yuga he came?
24
24th Chaturyugi Treta Yuga the Ramchandra came. Now which Chaturyugi is going on? 28th Chaturyugi. 28.
28 চতুর্যুগ।
Now the 28th Chaturyugi is going on.
রামচন্দ্র এসেছিলেন
So but the Ramchandra came in a 24th Chaturyugi.
চতুর্যুগে এসেছিলেন। হ্যাঁ? তাহলে কত বছর কয়েক করোড় বছর।
So after like many millions of the years, like the Krishna Leela has been done.
ব্রহ্মার এক দিনে
So the Brahma one a day is equal to 1000 Chaturyuga, Satya Treta Dwapar Kali. So that one for this Chaturyug when happened by the 1000 of times, it means it is a one day of the Brahma.
তারপরে শেষে দেহ হন অবতীর্ণ চেতনা চিতামৃত।
So in the Chaitanya Charitamrita it is
তাহলে
described.
এত বছর আমি কোথায় থাকবো?
So
সেই ছায়া সীতা
Shadow Sita said, where in between the time where I will stay.
দাপর যুগে, এখন চলছে ত্রেতা যুগ।
So now the Treta Yuga is going on and so much time has been left to come the Dwapar Yuga. So in between that time where I will stay.
দাপর যুগে আসেন না।
So even the God cannot come in every Dwapar Yuga.
ব্রহ্মার একদিনে কত হয়? 1000।
So Brahma's one day is equal to the 1000 of Chaturyuga.
রোটেশন করবে।
So
আবার
1000.
সেই দাপরের অন্তেতে ভগবান কৃষ্ণ আসেন।
So after that, in the end of that one Chaturyuga, Krishna will came.
তখন ভগবান রামচন্দ্র ছায়া সীতাকে বললেন,
So that time the Ramchandra said to the shadow Sita,
স্বর্গেতে থাকো।
you will stay in a heaven.
সকলে স্বর্গ লক্ষ্মী রূপে তোমাকে পূজা করবে।
So you will become a Lakshmi of the Swarga and there you will be worshipped by as in a Lakshmi.
স্বর্গেতে গিয়ে
So that the shadow Sita Devi went to the heaven. So many stories of it.
কতদিন এসব পুরাণের মধ্যে
So these all are described in the Puranas.
বেলবনে যাই,
When we used to go to the Belvan,
ওই বেলবনে গিয়ে কথাগুলো আলোচনা করি।
so we also used to speak this katha there.
তারপরে স্বর্গতে গিয়ে থাকলে স্বর্গতে ছায়া শক্তি এই ছায়া সীতা
So
স্বর্গের
there
মধ্যে গিয়ে
in the heaven
সেখানে
that the
স্বর্গলোকে গিয়ে থাকলেন।
shadow Sita Devi was
তারপরে
staying there.
কিছুদিন পরে তিনি আবার স্বর্গলক্ষ্মী থেকে তিনি সমুদ্রে এলেন, সমুদ্রলক্ষ্মী বলা হয় আবার।
So that the heaven Sita when came to the ocean, then the ocean Lakshmi, she is known as an ocean Lakshmi. So by this happening, and after that the Dwapar Yuga came, so then she became a Draupadi.
জন্মগ্রহণ করলেন। আবার দ্রৌপদী হয়ে কিভাবে জন্মগ্রহণ করলেন? দ্রুপদ রাজা
So she also took
অগ্নির মধ্যে দিয়ে
like in the house of the Drupad, she took the birth. So from the fire she manifested.
কন্যাকে
So because the Drupad did the one yajna, and from that fire that Draupadi manifested.
দ্রৌপদী কেমন সাধারণ না?
So Draupadi is not an ordinary woman.
দ্রৌপদী কেমন কোনো সাধারণ স্ত্রী না।
She is not an ordinary woman.
চামড়ার শরীর নয় তার।
She do not have like in a panchbhut sharir, like in a by air, fire and other ingredients. Her body is not made of that as the normal human being is having.
ভগবান কৃষ্ণের এই লীলাতে তিনি সহায়তা করেন, এই কথাগুলো আবার বলা হয়েছে।
So that time like the Shadow Sita help in the Leela. So similarly she came as a Draupadi. What's the time? And now the time is about to be finished.
এইগুলো আমাদের যে বলা হয়েছে, আমি যে কথা বলতে চাইছিলাম যে নারদ ঋষি
So the Narad Rishi
যে অহংকার হয়েছিল,
like became so much egoistic. So the God what he did,
কি করলেন? দূরীভূত করলেন।
he actually destroyed that ego.
এই অহংকারকে দূরীভূত করতে
So
গিয়ে
the Lord actually destroyed the ego of Narad Rishi, and he incarnated as Ram.
যে রামায়ণের মধ্যে
So these all the story as mentioned in the Ramayana. So by Ramchandra,
এই জগতের মধ্যে
like how he came into this earth. So many of the reasons and many of the leelas are there.
এটাকে আবার মুখ্য কারণ বলে
So but this is the main reason,
মধ্যে
and it is described in the Ramayana, and the Tulsidas Ramayana, it is described there.
হ্যাঁ, সকলে প্রসাদ পাবেন।
So all please take the prasadam. Don't go without the prasadam.
আচ্ছা, আমি মনে এই জন্য ভালোই হলো যে আপনারা ঘরে গৃহে থাকুন, যেখানে থাকুন আমাদের